to economic and geopolitical stability in the world. We consider Europe to be very important for us. That's why we would like to see more European presence and more European participation in our economy. And I'm very happy to see our respective ministers and commissioners achieving, I would say, strategic breakthroughs. So that basically we have no item of disagreement between EU and Indonesia, right? That's basically the conclusion that we have today. So I'm very happy. I think in this era of instability or confusion, I think we are setting a right example. Yeah. Once again, please be assured that we in Southeast Asia, especially Indonesia, we really consider Europe to be very, very important in providing global stability. Europe is still, in our opinion, a leader in many, many aspects of modern life. We still look towards Europe. Maybe not many of us would like to admit it openly, but I am here, I admit openly, we would like to see a stronger Europe, and we want to work with Europe. So I think basically that is what I would like to say, and I hope when we implement these agreements, we can sign the implementation agreement, if possible, here in Brussels again. That gives me another chance to visit Brussels. Thank you very much, Your Excellency. This is a happy day for me. Thank you very much.
A little bit about the fact that you still look to Europe as a leader in the world. I wonder if you see it as something that could replace the United States and as something that could sort of fill in the gaps that the United States is leaving as it pulls back. And then President von der Leyen, I wonder if the ACI, the anti-coercion instrument, is on the table as you consider preparing further countermeasures.
No, I think the United States will be always a very important leader in the world. But I consider Europe to be also very important factor in the world civilization. The history of Europe, Europe is in the leading edge of many, many science, technology, etc. And Europe is always leading the world in upholding democratic values, human rights, etc. So we consider Europe still a very important factor, and we would like to see a very strong Europe. This is part of this, the world architecture of let us say, multipolar and powers that will contribute to peace and stability. Because the world, the planet is getting smaller. So, everything now is interconnected, and climate change is a fact of life. Environmental impact of industrialization is a fact of life. So, the planet getting smaller. We need a strong powers that contribute to peace and stability, and we consider Europe to be very important. Yes.